10th sale. Sale. Mega sale.
Hi everyone, I'm John, this is Dana, and we would like to invite you to come join us at 405 Cabinets and Stone for our annual Mega Tent Sale.
To celebrate our 20th pet sale anniversary, we have a lot of items that are on the big sale, up to 75%. So let's introduce what we have for them.
From today until August 5th, 405 Cabinets and Stone is offering up to 70% off thousands of items. Kitchen cabinets.
5 offered white shaker cabinets at sale prices like these, 55% off. We have glass cabinets, originally $352, now at $158. A huge selection of cabinets at unbeatable prices. Again, we invite you to come down, check out our collection of white shaker cabinets, and pick the one that's perfect for you.
Bathroom cabinets.
These full modern vanities at prices that you will not be able to find anywhere. These are full wood construction, beautiful vanities, countertops included, sinks included, for unmatched prices anywhere. You will not be able to beat these prices.
Countertops.
We offer beautiful natural stone and manufactured stone countertops at an incredible 60% off. Quartz, quartzite, marble, granite, any of the things you need for your cabinets, right here, it's 60% off at our Mega Tent Sale.
Sinks.
We have sinks today at $25. $25, you can't even get a fast food meal for $25.
MDF molding, casing, baseboards. Coffee tables for your living room.
This year, 405 Cabinets even offer furniture as well.
Imagine being able to get a beautiful glass end table at our cost. $49 for a glass end table here. Here's another one at 60% off. Basically, our cost, $99.
Pantry cabinets for your garage, hallway, laundry room, and much more.
Do you need cabinets for your garage, for your laundry room, for your linens? Well, we have a great selection at the Mega Tent Sale.
Let's take a look at this cabinets right here, 30 inches wide, 92 inches tall. Imagine it was original to be more than over $1,100. Now it's only $9.
This is an especially great opportunity for those building ADUs or renovating rental homes to get 405 brand cabinets and countertops at incredibly low prices.
And once you're done enjoying our incredible deals at our Mega Tent Sale, we invite you to come inside our beautiful showroom and check out all the latest kitchen cabinet designs and vanity designs we have to offer here at 405 Cabinets and Stone.
Visit our website at 405cs.com to experience the numerous real homes and projects we've completed.
Please check it out in person and touch and feel our beautiful design. Or if you can't make it here, please visit us at 405cs.com.
405 Cabinets and Stone is located in Fountain Valley, at the corner of Euclid and the 405 freeway. Call us 714-500-3855. Come to the 405 Tent Sale to see for yourself and experience the difference in our products and service. Hurry to get the best selection.
We look forward to seeing you here. We hope you come down. You're going to see incredibly affordable prices, and we look forward to saying hello.